How does shipping work for DTC? There's a few different ways that it can be done. Customers seem to mostly like the all-in-one pricing. That is a lot of complex factors nailed down into one price. And the idea is that the volume is enough that it's like law of averages, it all works out. But that kind of means that you have to come to your DTC partner with enough transactions that the law of averages makes it all work out. If you're just a small brand, you maybe want a more a la carte model. That's what we offer because, for example, like we really would like customers that has strong brand presence and invest in custom packaging. And if that's not the custom cartons, it's at least custom carton sizes or custom labels or something of that nature. If that's the case, then you pay for those items. Of course, we don't charge you for those items. But if you're just using generic cartons, then of course we charge you for the generic cartons. And that makes a flat rate model pretty much impossible. And then there's the additional add-ons. A lot of the larger centers won't offer things like inserts, and they especially won't offer like handwritten note type of personalizations. And those are the sorts of add-ons that especially small brands find particularly valuable. And if you can't get those in a larger center at a all-in-one price, it's not even on the menu of options because you just come in and they figure out the weight and the dimensions of your parcel and maybe an average order size, and then they give you a price. That's it. There's no real negotiation. It's just take it or leave it. But if you go with an a la carte model, you can have a discussion with your partner about what kind of services and sort of premium experience for your customers that you're willing to invest in.